Most people's reverb sounds messy and muddy. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy steps to get professional sounding reverb on your vocals in Logic Pro. Alright, so I have my dry vocal right here. I'm going to play it for you. So first thing I'm going to do is create a bus, and I'm going to add Space Designer on that. You don't want to put reverb directly on your vocal track. Using a bus gives you way more control. Go over here, create a bus, load up Space Designer. Now it's time to turn it up. Alright, next up I'm going to add some EQ. Go to channel EQ. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll off some of the rumble. I'm also going to roll off some of the high end just to get rid of the space that we don't need. I'm also going to reduce some of the mids. Finally, just throw a compressor on your reverb bus and sidechain that to your vocal. Start with a threshold of around 20, the ratio to around 4:1. You want to use a fast attack so it reacts quickly to your vocal. Start at around 5. You want a medium release so the reverb swells back naturally. Now you want to play around with the threshold so you get a few dBs of gain reduction. This way when you're rapping or singing, the reverb ducks out and comes back in when there's space. Clean, pro, and easy. If this helped you, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more Logic Pro mixing tutorials. I'm Miles Vincent, and I'll see you in the next one.